Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2018 Renault Megane and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to 4th generation of Renault Meganes made from 2016. Now all of the radio fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is just under the steering wheel on the left side behind this cover. To remove this cover, you just want to pull it towards yourself. There is like a small opening down here, so I want to pull it and remove it. On the back side of this cover you will have a small yellow fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses, and you have a couple of spare fuses here. The red one 10 amp, 15 amp and 20 amp. And once you have moved this cover you will have access to all of the fuses. Okay, so I turned the flash on my phone to make it a bit more visible. So I want to check two fuses, 10 amp red fuse right here and 20 amp yellow fuse just under it. So these two fuses are your radio fuses. I will try to zoom in a bit as well if I can. Okay, you will check these two fuses, the upper 10 amp and the yellow 20 amp fuse. And hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out and that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics. First start by removing the radio, check all connections behind it, and then check all the wiring. Very often thing that happens, the wires behind this rubber sleeve protector get worn or crack, and that can often cause your speakers not to work. So this is also something to keep in mind. But first check the fuses, that's the first thing to do. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.